welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, the Abby-licious. If you are new here, you know what to do. Click that subscribe button so you can be a part of the Abby-licious family. So today I decided to do a review on the new, or I will say the latest Morphe palette. You know, Morphe's always doing their collabs, and this is similar to the Sweetie palette, which I really like how they did the different shapes and put as much glitter and how pigmented these palettes are. So I decided to grab this as well. This is not really a palette or shades or colors that I would really go for or be attracted to, but I also like to try new things, and I've been stepping out of my comfort zone lately and just doing something different, so you can get a little bit best of both worlds for people who excuse me, for people who like colors, or people who don't like colors and decide to do a little more laid back, nude but fun makeup looks. This palette is called Morphe 24M Main Event palette. I don't even know like how to say it. I don't know, but I hope I'm saying it right. I think it's like Main Event 24M Artistry palette, or Artistry palette. Palette. So we're gonna go ahead and open her up. This palette retails for, let me double check. Oh, so this palette actually retails for $21. I did not even know that because I ordered this and the lip crayons together, so I wasn't really looking at the price because I really wanted it, but it retails for $21 if you guys wanna look. $21. I am telling the truth. And the lip hits lip crayon trio, which is $19, and we're gonna go over that as well. This collection also came with brushes and a belt bag, as they call it, but I decided not to get the brush and the bag because I didn't really need it. I think I already had enough brush, and I was just gonna get it because of the silicone brush that really helps with chunky glitter and stuff. But the lady, she was really nice, and she did let me know that we sell the brushes separately, so I think that was also awesome of her. Thank you very much, Sarah from Morphe in Chicago. But hope you're watching this. But anyway, this palette, it has pressed glitter, shimmers, and mattes. Like I said earlier, the reason why I would never go for colors like this is because everything is more like on the neutral, earthy, you know, kind of dark shades that it's giving me, and I was never a fan. If you see in all my videos, I mostly go for bright, vibrant color that you can stay from a mile away and know that your girl coming because she got all that color on her eyelids. But like I said, I just wanted to get this palette. I can do a few swatches for you guys, but I feel like what everybody's been raving and talking about are these colors below. So if you can see these drops, it means that you can apply water to the color and it will become like a liquid liner. I personally decided not to try it with this look, and I've seen a couple reviews before doing this where they say that once you wet it, wet it with your brush is fine, but to go back in, I guess the product won't stay on the brush anymore. You know, like they were having a difficult time with it. I decided to try it like another time and probably show you guys on my Instagram if you'd like to see. But that was a cool thing about this palette. Of course, you got a beautiful mirror. So the packaging is amazing. Look at that. Like, that is pretty Morphe. So we're gonna swatch a few just to show you guys. If you guys think like, oh, maybe those colors won't fit my skin tone, if you are my skin tone, or a little bit darker, a little bit lighter. So I will try like a couple shimmers. So right now I do have Free Spirit, Willie's, and this big gold color called Legend. If you guys can see now, and this big color called Legend. So we're gonna go ahead, swatch that gold first. I'm just gonna do multiple colors so you guys can see exactly what I'm working with. Let's get that one. I would never think I would ever try that. This one is interesting. This is called Swirl. I really don't know what kind of color it is. Okay, so I just gave you guys a shimmer, a matte, and a pressed glitter, and regular glitter. Or should I say they all are pressed glitters? Let me know. Okay, so here are some swatches. And I only did just one swipe, so it is very pigmented if you are curious about that. Now let's talk about this real quick because, honey, I was a little bit nervous about it because, of course, you know, your girl don't go nude unless on the lips. You know what I'm saying? But this is not really a nude, but it's definitely a dark kind of smoky look. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna start babbling. Oh, I still just have a little bit more babble to do. So the lip trio. This is the packaging that it comes in. So gorgeous, just like the palette. These lip trios. Okay, so first I tried this one. Do they have names? No, they don't. Okay, so obviously from the looks of it, it goes from light to dark. Right now I have the middle one on my lips. Yeah, so right now I have the middle one on my lips. The lighter one, if you know how to work these things, if you're a person who wear a lot of lippies and lip crayon and like stuff like this, lip liners, then you of course know what to do with these. I personally didn't. I started just drawing over my lips and I'm like, I have nothing to match with it. I think that's what it is, really. Most of they're gloss, so of course you put them on, there's no matte to mix up matte to kind of give it that ombre look that I was going for, but unfortunately I couldn't get it done. But they are, I guess they're great to have just in case if I do master that ombre lip situation, then I'll have some new brown lip crayon to go with that. Okay, now I'm finished babbling, and of course if you guys are wondering what happened to my hand, I got burnt by cooking, putting something in the oven and my hand just barely touched it, and yeah, my skin came off. But it's healing right now, so it's like it just has the patch. Just have to wait until like my skin goes back to normal. But it's not gross if you guys are even wondering, you know, like whatever. And I try to use as much Morphe product as possible because I do have a lot of Morphe products, but some stuff I just wanted to use because I have it and I'm tired of using all just Morphe throughout my videos. So now let me stop babbling. Let's get into this tutorial. Well, there you guys have it. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Please comment down below if this is your favorite look or not, or if you have received this palette and if you don't know what to do, and if you want to see me create another look from this palette, please also let me know. Also click that subscribe button so you can be the first to get notification whenever I post a new video. And thank you guys so much for those who have been subscribing lately. I have seen you guys and I've been meaning to post, and I was just on it today. I was just like, let me just post this video, you know what I'm saying? But thank you guys so much for the love and support. In my Shein bikini trying haul at 2K 2.5 I think right now, so that is like a huge accomplishment for me. And even though I still have videos that are booming more than most, I'm still trying to be as consistent as possible and posting as much as I can, and just really giving it my all so my subscribers can go up, because my views are on point. It's just people don't want to subscribe to me. I don't know, am I just not nice? Like, let me know. Also follow me on Instagram. I'm there most of the time, so if you want to see what I'm up to on a daily basis, please follow me at the Abby-licious. And that's all I have for you guys. Bye.